Hey everybody, I'm back with my dishwasher. I finally got the part in. It took a while. It's probably made in China, I'm guessing. But ordered it. I got the heating element. So we're going to be replacing the heating element. This is what you get. You get the element. And these things are threaded on the bottom and it holds it in. So that is a 3/4 wrench. I already matched it up. You'll need a Phillips. And this is the unit. See, there's a rubber O-ring up there. And this will just go on and go through the inside. This is for the KitchenAid and specifically for the KDFE104DBL5. And it's right there. I already took the inside part out. And what you'll need the Phillips for is if you have these in for your safety. I have the screws right there. Pop those out. On mine, I'll be able to slide it out. So let's get to it. So I pulled my dishwasher out. I unplugged it, that way I don't hit a start button or something. Something comes on and water goes everywhere. You know, don't want that to happen. I took the kitchen, standing pad, one of those foam things that we have in front of the sink typically, and I put it and laid it down. Then you'll want to come under here and you'll see where the heating element comes through. That thing right there. So that one, unplug. Then I'll take that wrench and I'll take that off. The other one is, gotta find the other one. Thermostat is down there. And oh, the other one's right up here. Take that off. And again, use the wrench and remove that. It's that simple. It's that simple. Let's see if it actually, in theory, comes out that easy. Okay, so you take your wrench. Oh yeah. You gotta remember, it's plastic, so when you put it on, you're not gonna want it too hard. You don't want to do it until it breaks. Because I'm assuming this plastic piece would break. Probably want to keep that until you have everything together. And there we have that. There we go, yeah. So we'll undo this one. So if you're replacing your heating element, it's this easy. There we go. Push it through the holes. Now it's on the inside. So obviously what I have to do now is pick it back up, pull that piece out, put the new piece through the holes, and tighten it down. Not too bad. Let's pick it back up. Go. And of course there was water in the unit. So as you can see, got the heating element right down here. There's a clip here. Just pull it forward and it's out. Then you're going to carefully get that. There we go. Twist this and just take it off. Take that off. There you go. Just pull it out. You take your new one. Here's your new one. You're gonna drop that through that hole. You're gonna lightly push it. It's gonna go into there. Gonna want that to go in the clip. There we go. Yeah, it's through, and clips on right there. That sits right there. You can go ahead, kind of put this back in. It clips back in, so just twist. There you go. That easy. You'll come back over, shut your door, kind of have a rag for any wire that was in the base. Bring it out enough. If your lines are long enough, this is like so easy. There we go. Now I come back over this side, You see, it's through. It's through. They give you new ones. Go ahead and use the new ones. And start tightening. Just do it by hand initially. Again, this is plastic. I'll assume the piece I would give was this plastic piece. And see, I'm using like one finger, if you can see that. I've worked on things over the years, so you tend to learn how much pressure, you know. I would say that's probably there. Check this one again, because there's foam. Okay. Okay. Now take your wire. This one's the blue with red line. This one's a blue with white line. Put it on. That's basically it. So I'm going to flip it back over. I'm going to look on the inside, make sure that seems like it's would be sealed. You know, I put enough pressure. If not, tip it back over and check again. You know, go a couple rotations. But now the thing is, put it back and give it a whirl. Plug it back in and see if this thing heats up. So because we have a sink full of stuff, I'm going to go ahead and load it. And I'm not going to attach it right now. Oh, I need to look inside, don't I? And put back the trays. Yeah, the fitting back here looks squished. Looks good, looks good. Okay, put the stuff back inside. Okay. And then the bottom one. There we go. So that's back together. I'm gonna go ahead and load it up. Okay, everybody, I got the dishwasher done and fixed, and it goes through the heating cycles now. It heats the water, dries, it does all that. I might not have had to replace the heating coil. I found out after searching online that you have to reset things if you ever take the motor out, which I had disconnected it, so I had to reset it. So right now I have a new thermostat and a new heating coil in there, so we'll be good to go for a while. I'm going to save the one I took out because that's probably actually good, never know. And this is the diagnostic setting that you're going to have to do. So you're going to want to go through 3 times, heat, dry, that, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and it lights up all the lights as you see. So it's going through all its checks. So you won't need to press start right away. It will go through its checks. See, it's still flipping through the lights. So heat, dry, high temp, wash, sand rinse. You can do that 3 times. Boom, 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 boom. And the lights will do its flashing thing. It will go through its thing, and you just let it do its thing. At some point before, it seemed like it stayed on one of these, and I just went ahead and pressed start, and then it's still, see, still flipping through, still doing its test, and you'll just let it go through its cycle. The system will reset, and you'll have your heat back, heated water, and high temp, heated dry. So there you have it. I mean, it's really quite easy, so you might want to try that first actually. So hopefully this video helped you out. It wasn't hard to install the heating element if you need to do that. It's not hard to do the thermostat either on this model. And yeah, it's cheap, probably cost me $100 total. And that was it. So better than buying a new unit. Have a good one. Stay well, my friends. Bye.